Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Friday, October 12th, 2018. On the 10th, 4 major earthquakes hit the Ring of Fire within a matter of hours. First, there was a magnitude 6.3 near Java and Bali, Indonesia, at a depth of 10 kilometers, which killed 3 people and destroyed dozens of homes and buildings. Shortly after, a magnitude 7.2, quickly reduced by the USGS to a 6.8, hit New Britain, Papua New Guinea, at a depth of 40 kilometers, which was followed by a magnitude 6.4 aftershock. There has been no injuries or damage reported from those earthquakes. And finally, there was a magnitude 6.5 off the coast of the Kuril Islands, at a depth of 17 kilometers. On the 10th, Category 4 Hurricane Michael made landfall on the Florida Panhandle, bringing a dangerous storm surge. So far, 6 people have died, and many are still missing. Hundreds of homes have been destroyed, and roads and water systems have been badly damaged. Coastal areas of Mexico Beach and Panama City have been the worst affected, as the storm destroyed everything in its path. Also on the 10th, strong storms brought torrential flooding to Sardinia, Italy, causing severe damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure. On the 11th, heavy rain caused severe flooding in Tarragona, Spain, submerging vehicles and damaging homes and businesses. Also on the 11th, 12 people have died and several are missing after heavy rains caused a massive landslide in Bogota, Colombia. Rescue crews are still working to find missing people. Also on the 11th, at least 7 people died after another deadly landslide in Uganda, Africa. Several families are being forced to flee their homes, as heavy rains may cause more landslides. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.